Creating container images. We make a little directory. Move to that directory. And then we create a Docker file. So you remember what this is doing? The from basically tells that we are using the BusyBox image. There's no username because it is an official Docker image. And we're using this particular tag. We are creating a work there called /app within the container. And then we just printf hello world containers. So it's a trivial container image. Illustrating the workflow, how to create a container image using that very simple example. So now we say, we tell Docker, Docker image build, we give it a name, hello container world 0.1.0. So we are creating, the name of the image is going to be this, and the tag will be this. And we apply it to our local directory because this is where the Docker file is. All right. So Docker images ls. And there it is. It's been created 10 seconds ago. So we can run. Guess I'm too stupid to type. Yeah, here we go. That's how simple it is to create a container image. So basically, to recapitulate, to summarize, the container image refers to a base image, which is obligatory. You always refer to some container image as a base image. You create a work there, which the working directory sets also the working directory for all subsequent commands. You can use workdir command several times. So if you want to change directories like you normally do with cd, you can use the workdir command. It will also automatically create that that directory if it doesn't exist. And then the cmd instruction basically tells to execute that command with that as an argument. We're creating the Docker image here. The Docker image here exists locally. It doesn't exist in my account here. It may exist here because I pushed it earlier, but it does not exist there. No, it doesn't exist because I've never pushed it. So this will just create a local image and it's stored locally. That's why the docker run command works here, because I created the image locally. If I hadn't created the image locally, that command would fail.